Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm sharing with you one of my family's favorite fried pork chops. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. These are the end of the cereal that nobody wants to eat. So I'm putting them to good use today. God bless you and continue watching. Even better if you are able to season your meat about 10 minutes before starting this process. Continue watching. The oven or the air fryer can be used for this recipe as well. You make the choice. You decide. The choice is yours. God bless you. Oh, I also use my mallet to smash them out a bit before seasoning them, just to shorten the cooking time. How does that sound? Give it a try. God bless you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified of every video I upload. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. My name is Melda. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love and support. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.